OnlyTG Echo has updated the channel management feature. Send a start to your bot and click Channel Setting in the pop-up Start message. Here, you will be prompted that only channels meeting these three conditions can be managed by the bot. Therefore, you need to first perform the following 3 steps in your channel. 1. Add the bot as the channel's subscriber. 2. And add the bot as an administrator. 3. Make sure your bot has at least the Manage Messages permission. After completing the above steps, return to your bot, click the Refresh button, and you will see your channel. If the channel still doesn't appear, please check whether your channel meets the 3 conditions above. You can view channel and contact data in the OnlyTG console. Access the console by clicking Open App in OnlyTG Echo, or directly enter app.onlytg.io in your browser. After entering the console, click Channels to check the channel's relevant data. Under the More menu in the Detail column, click Subscribers to view subscriber information, including their username, language, etc. Note that only the information of subscribers who join the channel after the bot starts managing it will be recorded. If any contacts chat with this bot, you can check in the Contacts tab whether they have subscribed to your channel. Channel statistics are currently only available to users on the starter plan and above. But don't worry, all users can get a free 3-day starter plan trial right now.